guys, it is Saturday, and I was looking for my red box for my baby lives, and I looked in the closet, and look what I found, with nothing inside it, because I took all of it out, and let me show you what's inside. Saving this too. Okay. I found this notebook that I supposedly wrote in a lot. Yeah. So, I'll put that in. Alright, I think... Okay, so I'm not doing that first. I'm doing the folders.
Hold on a little bit, baby. Let her do her.
Put it back on.
Thank you.
Here's my green folder. So, green light, yellow light, red light, green light, red light, green light, red light. Can't get me. Comment down below if you touched the phone. Okay, so all my folders. Oh my god, I can't believe it just fit. Okay. Now, my first notebook. Seriously? Could have used that for this year. By the way, I'm in 3rd grade. Another notebook that's not that much written in, but still. Okay, and then all the paper in the world. 100 pieces of paper. There's that. And then here's a ruler. Bing, bing, bong. Color pencils with 12 colored pencils. Oh no. Bubba, Bubba. Oh, sorry, I'm talking to my brother. Ray, I might seem. Ray, I might seem big, but I'm not that big. I can't stay home alone.
But Lila,
okay, and now it's time for the pencil box. This is exciting. Okay, so a highlighter that's in here, 2 pens, crayons, glue, scissors, 2 erasers, a sharpener, markers, as you can see, I'm holding one, and that's all that's in my pencil bag. So, I'm using this for art supplies and supplies to do my homework. I'm gonna set this aside, and bye guys. Bye!